All right, so we're going to solve this equation by using the completing the squares method. So with completing the squares method, you just need an x squared here, so I need to get rid of this 3. So for me to get rid of it, I'm going to divide it. If I divide one thing, I have to divide everything. So here I get x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So now I have my x squared just by itself. Now with completing the squares method, I need to move that 2 to the other side. So I have x squared plus 3x. I'm going to leave that space and put my 2 to the other side, which means I'm adding it. Okay, then I'm going to set it up here to help me with my problem here. We take half of 3, that number goes there. So half of 3 is 3 halves. Then I'm going to square 3 halves. 3 halves times 3 halves is 9 fourths. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Now when I add 2 plus 9 fourths, I get 17 fourths. Now I have it set up with a perfect square here. Now I can use the square root method. For me to get rid of this squared, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So here I get x plus 3 halves equals, when I take the square root here, square root of 17 is there, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, then I am going to move that 3 halves, and I can't forget my plus or minus. Then I'm going to move the 3 halves to the other side, so I need to subtract it. So I get negative 3 halves plus or minus the square root of 17 over 2. Now, we can't simplify it all. There's our answer. You could also write it as one fraction as negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 17 all over 2 is the same thing.